Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angie and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a bald spot that was created from plucking your frontal. I was plucking this frontal and I made two little bald spots, and I just realized this would be a great opportunity to show you guys how I fix it. First thing you're going to need is a track of hair, a ventilation needle, a pair of scissors, a spray bottle with water in it, comb, and colored paper. Just something that could create a contrast with the lace, make the lace more visible to the human eye. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so I was plucking this and I ran in and I created two bald spots, which is right here. Now it's open. I'm just gonna spray some water on it. I want the hair to stick whatever direction I put it in. Alright, so now I'm gonna just use a T-pin and hold the hair right there, and that makes the bald spot more visible here and here. Slide in our colored paper. Pin it down. We need the lace to be super stretched out. So we're gonna take our track and a pair of scissors. Cut, we just need a little piece, right? Cut the hair off the track, right? Take out all the little short hair, separate it into a little, right? So this is what we want to start working with. This much hair, very little. You're gonna leave about 2 to 3 inches out here and then hoop it around your finger. Once you hoop it around your finger, this is what it looks like. This is what it's gonna look like. And then I want to reduce that hoop, so it was like this, and then I put another finger to reduce that hoop. So I'm gonna spread it out now so it can look like that, because I want to see each strand of hair. Now that I've done this, my hair is set, my hair is ready. So I'm gonna take that ventilation needle and go to the spot that I'm working with. I just put the hook inside one hole like that, and then I push the hook out so it can be long enough, and I take one strand of hair and I take it back through the hoop, right? Through the hoop, and then I take that needle and cross it over the hair, the other side of the hair. So there's one side of the hair that is hooped around the needle, and then there's the other one that's just on the other side of the hole. So I take that and I twist it around. I take the other hair and I twist it around the hook. I push my hook down, facing down, and I push it through the hole and drag.
So every 2 hoops, I'll just, every 2 holes, I'll add a strand of hair in there. Oh man, this one is complicated. So some of the hair would break, and that's fine. It's hard enough to see the hole. This is HD lace. as you can see, this part is fixed. The only thing is the strands of hair that you're adding would have black knots. Especially if you've bleached the knots already, it wouldn't be bleached. So now I'm gonna move on to this part. I feel like I've covered this enough. Okay, let's just add one more in here. Another one in here. Right? So that helps you fix that bald spot. So I'm gonna move on to this side. So there, if you can see, they're like lines. So I'm gonna go line by line. So first things first, I'm gonna add one strand of hair into this hole. And then move on to the next line. So the reason why I separated the hair is just so it can be easier for me to pick. Okay. So I'm gonna put water because the strands of hair I'm adding are dry. So I'm gonna have to keep adding water just so it gets wet. And when I'm done with all of this, I'll have to tighten it up. So that's how to fix your bald spot, guys. Okay, sometimes it'll get messed up. That's okay. So this seems a bit loose. I'll just go in and pull. Not too hard. That tightens it up. Oh man. All right. I don't know how that looks, guys. Does it look fixed? So I'm just gonna put some water, comb it down. Just check, you know, if you feel like you need to fill it up a bit more, then go ahead. But for me, I think the bald spot is fixed. Right? So sometimes if you feel like you filled out the bald spot too much, you can just go in and pluck some more hair out. If you feel like you need to re-bleach the new hair, then you can just go in. So that was the bald spot right here, and it's fixed. So this place looks a little bit more bald, and that's fine because this is the sideburn area, so it has to look as scanty as possible. So that's it. So this is another bald spot. I can just go in and put in one more strand of hair, and that should fix it, or not. But if you feel like these ones look a little bit loose, you can just pick all the ones that look loose, partition it out, take your ventilation needle this side, and just keep rolling it around. Tug a little, roll, tug a little, roll, tug a little. I'm not being too harsh, trust me. Roll, tug a little, roll, tug a little, roll. And that should tighten it up a bit more. All right, and that's how you fix your bald spot. I hope you guys learned. I hope it was easy for you guys to understand. If you need me to make another one and explain it in a different way, I'll be more than happy to do that. And now I can continue to pluck my lace. Thank you very much.